Hi, Eileen and Natalie. I just wanted to email you a video to show you how to get to Eileen's email on her Chromebook. That is a place where I can email links so that she has easy access to them. Because I know if you have the link on your phone, that's not helpful because you need it on the Chromebook. So first you want to log into your dashboard to get to your email. So you're going to put your username and password in. And after you log in, you're going to go to the red and white envelope that says Gmail and click on that. And anything that I have emailed will be in there. And so I emailed this on the weekend, which is why it says next week. So this is this week's schedule. So you would click here and then click on the link to get to the schedule. And then if you want to see it bigger, because that's pretty small, you're going to go to Zoom and 100%. So sorry, you go to View and then Zoom and then 100%. And then you can see here Wednesday. Her group is at 11:30 every Wednesday, and the link should stay the same. So you would click here to go to the group. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys and will help you access any groups that Eileen has. I can email you an update anytime the link changes or the schedule changes for some reason. But like I said, it should stay the same, 11:30 every Wednesday with that link for as far as we know. All right, keep up the good work, guys.